So today we will learn about the nervous system and the brain.
There are two major divisions of the nervous system. The first is the central nervous system, which is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. The second is the peripheral nervous system, which consists of nerves that run throughout the body.
The main function of central nervous system or CNS is it controls all voluntary movements such as speak and walking, and also it controls involuntary movements such as blinking and breathing. It is also the core of our thoughts, perception, and emotions. Peripheral nervous system or PNS, it plays key role in both sending information from different areas of your body back to your brain, as well as carrying out commands from your brain to various parts of your body. The PNS consists of the nerves and ganglia outside the brain and the spinal cord. The two divisions of PNS are somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system consists of nerves that go to the skin and muscles and is involved in conscious activities. While autonomic nervous system consists of nerves that connect the CNS to the visual organs such as the heart, stomach, and intestines. It mediates unconscious activities.
The autonomic nervous system can be further subdivided into sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve fibers. The sympathetic nervous system plays a large role in stimulating and mobilizing energy resources, while the parasympathetic nervous system acts to conserve energy. For example, if you're in a frightening situation, the sympathetic nervous system will cause your heart rate to increase, your blood pressure to increase, and your sweat glands to be stimulated. If you're eating a meal, however, and are not frightened, your parasympathetic nervous system will stimulate digestion, increase salivation, and slow your heart rate. Due to these functions, the sympathetic nervous system is often described as being involved in fight or flight responses, while the parasympathetic nervous system is described as being involved in rest and digest responses.
So now we know that everything we think and do happens because of nerve cells. As it turns out, nerve cells are not alone. There are actually two main types of cells in the central nervous system: the glial cells and the neurons, or the nerve cells. The glial cells, as seen here, provide structural support. They support the efficient communication between neurons. In addition, they also help by removing cellular debris. Glial actually means glue in Greek. It helps to hold the central nervous system together. The glial cells also help form the blood-brain barrier and play a role in the control of breathing. The neurons are cells that process and transmit information in the nervous system. They receive information, they integrate that information, and then they generate messages. There are approximately 10 billion neurons in the human brain, and even though they're located very close together, most of them don't actually touch. Each neuron has about 10,000 connections to other neurons, which allows for literally trillions and trillions of neural connections. This makes the brain one of the most complex structures we know.